they actually had it. Not only did they have one, they actually had two in there. So I had my choice. I cannot believe I actually found this damn thing. That is the Diesel OTR610. So I think we'll do an unboxing, so stay tuned. Alright, so yeah, the light's gonna suck in here, but I'll do the best I can. So yeah, finally found this damn thing. OTR610. Yeah, it's the small one, but the other ones are just too big. And I'm sure this will work just as good, so I'll be I think I'll be all right. But let's see. Nothing much. Yeah, just a picture, nothing much. Alright, and we'll try to do this with one hand here. I don't know if that's gonna work. So my first official unboxing. Let's see what we get. Oh, and there's the main prize. And it is kind of small. It's actually, let's see here. It's a little bit smaller. Well, it's wider than my, well, about the same width as my phone. And my phone has a case on it. And it's about 3/4 of an inch shorter. So, yeah, not bad. And wow, look at that. A USB-C port. Well, they finally got into 2022. Way to go, Garmin. All right, so SD card slot there. All right, so let's see what else is in here. Yeah, a little crappy mount. This goes on the back some kind of way. How? I won't be using this because I do not like these suction cup mounts. I never have any luck with them. I've got one suction cup mount in this truck, and it's a RAM mount that's affixed to the windshield, and that's all I buy is RAM mounts. The other mounts in this truck, like that one, yeah, that's the same cradle that I have on the dash there for my phone, so I can put my phone in here in landscape mode, watch TV. It's probably not getting a good light, but yep, this is a RAM mount, and it's bolted in to the truck. I just took out the screw that holds in this piece, and it's a ball with the screw on it, and I just screwed it in the hole, and boom, now I got a mount. And got the same one up front that holds the phone when I'm driving. So let's see what else we got. Okay, so this I like, and I don't know why they didn't do this sooner. You always get the 12-volt charger, and I don't know why, because most trucks have, oh, I can't get this thing out. Most trucks have USB ports now. So why are they still giving us a 12-volt charger? I noticed even on the new 810 and 1010 model, the same thing. It's a 12-volt charger, but this, you get the best of both worlds. You get a USB, or if you do need a 12-volt, they give you the adapter. So yeah, I won't be using that. I don't need 12 volts anymore. I do USB. So I got two USB ports on the dash, on top of the dash. So I'll be using one of them for this. And what else is in here? Oh yeah, this, yeah, we don't need that. Okay, yep, and that's it. So let's see, it's just got any power. Take this off. And this is hard to do with one hand. Alright, get off of there. Don't need you. Off. Okay, now I got this. Come on. Off. Thank you. Let's see if it's got any juice. And no. Maybe. No. Okay. Alright, so I had to plug in the juice to get it to turn on here. Yeah, these Garmin's, well, I guess any GPS isn't really known for its battery life. I don't know why they even put a battery in there. Well, I guess they have to. I guess that's the only way it's gonna charge and turn on. But I got it half-assed set up. Didn't really play around with the settings. Well, let's see what time it is. It's almost 7 o'clock, so really I just want to eat and go to bed, and that's all. But I was trying to think of how to mount this, because I don't want to use this. I'm not going to use this. I do not like these suction cup mounts, so I won't be using it. So I'm wondering if I got another cradle, can you see that, like this, if it'll fit in there. I wonder. So hang on one second. Alright, so I got it to fit into this cradle here. It actually fits nicely. The problem is I can't get to, well, I can kind of get to the power button, if you can see that, but I can't get to the charge port, which is up under there. It's right in there. So, what to do? I'm going to have to modify this thing, I guess. So, yeah, I'm going to figure something out. But I think I can make this work. Maybe even Dremel this part out here where the charge port is, because it's right directly behind it. Let's see. Yes. Well, can I? No, I can't turn it around. That's really all I can do. All right. Well, I'm going to play around with this and probably use it for a couple of weeks. Give it a nice test run, and then I'll do a review on it. Show all the fancy bells and whistles and features and everything else on it. So anyway, yeah, that's it. Not much to it, but there you go. Unboxing, very first one. All right, have a good night, everyone.